Namaskar. Good morning, dear students. Today's date is 20 July 2020, day Monday. Today we are going to revise chapter 6 Malala exercise grammar part. Alright, in this today's revision class, we are going to revise transitive and intransitive words. Before this, let's see a sentence in detail. Alright, so let's see here. Ruby is eating pizza. In this sentence, Ruhi is the subject. Is HP means helping verb. Eating is main verb. And pizza is object. So, Ruhi is eating pizza. In this sentence, if we divide a sentence into three parts as subject, verb and object, then how we can describe it? Ruhi is the subject, is eating is the verb and pizza is the object. So, based on this knowledge, we learned it in 5th standard also. These two also, transitive and intransitive, you learn in chapter 9 verbs of 5th standard, right? Today we are going to see about it in detail. So let's see what is a transitive verb. Action that have a direct object to receive that action is called transitive verb. Means transitive verbs that have, means verbs that have an object are called transitive verbs. Very simple. Verbs that have an object are called transitive verbs, and verbs that do not have any object are called intransitive verbs. Action that doesn't have a direct object to receive that action is called intransitive verb. Let's see transitive verb first. Again I am repeating. An action that have a direct object in to receive that action is called transitive verb. Let's see by the example. The man loves his children. Okay. What is the verb in this sentence? Which is the verb? Loves. Okay, verb. What is the man's action? The man's action is of love. Means the man is doing the action of love. To whom? His children. Means this action of a man received by his children. Alright. The man loves his children. Here the man is the subject. Verb love is the verb. And his children is the object. Now listen. What is the action of a man? Love. Right. Who receives the action of a man? His children. So love is the transitive verb in this sentence as it is having the receiver for its action. Alright. Means the direct object. Okay. So the man loves his children. Here his children is the object in this sentence. That's why loves is the transitive verb. Now let's see few more examples of transitive verbs. I lost my backpack. See here. I lost my backpack. I lost my backpack. See here. I is the subject. Lost is the verb. My backpack is the object here. Okay, backpack. Now let's see. What is the action of I? Losing something, right? What? Backpack. So, lost is the transitive verb here as it is receiving the action of, as it is having the receiver for its action. Lost, right? So, lost is the transitive verb because backpack is the object to receive that action. Alright. Now let's see the next The ship sank suddenly. Here the ship is the subject, sank is the verb. Here no object. So sank is an intransitive verb. Why? Because it is not having object to receive the action of sinking. Right? Now next one. Let's see from the book. We failed. We failed means we failed. Here we is the subject, fail is the verb, but this sentence is not having an object to receive the action of fail. That's why fail is an intransitive verb. Now let's see some more examples. First one, then the doctor cured him. Here what is the type of verb, transitive or intransitive? The doctor cured him. Who cured? Doctor. Means doctor is the subject. What is the action of that doctor? Cured. And whom? The patient, him. So, cured is the verb which is having object to receive its action. That's why it is called transitive verb. Now, let's see second one. She crossed the street. She crossed the street. What is the action of verb? Crossed. What? The street. So the street is the object in this sentence. That's why crossed is the transitive verb. Now let's see. Rohan kicked the ball. What did Rohan kick? Rohan kicked the ball. But the ball is the object in this sentence. That's why kick is the transitive verb. Now let's see few more examples of intransitive verbs. They work hard. They subject, work, verb, hard, no object. So this word work is the intransitive verb as it is not having any object to receive its action. Now let's see some more examples of transitive and intransitive verbs from the practice sheet and textbook also. Let's complete the exercises of textbook, then we will see practice sheet. I hope you all are ready with your textbook. And one more thing, I am giving you the practice sheet exercises, right? You will not get its hard copy because it is prepared by me, right? And you have to copy it in your extra notebook. You can solve it in your extra notebook. You will get answers like this, and then you have to cross check your answers by your own. Alright, solve this only in your extra notebook. Okay, now let's see some more things from textbook and practice sheet. Wait a while. Question A. Underline the verbs in these sentences and say whether they are transitive or intransitive. The little girl laughed merrily. Here, laughed is the verb, right? But it is intransitive as it is not having any object to receive its action. Second, Pranav lost his keys. Lost is the verb and it is transitive. Why? Keys is the object in this sentence. The audience clapped. Intransitive. I can't find my bag. Find is the transitive verb. Why? Because it is having bag as an object. 5. The students left the classroom. Left is the transitive verb as it is having the classroom as an object. 6. The water cooled quickly. Cooled is intransitive verb, right? Rain is falling on the roof. Here, rain is falling on the roof is an what example? Falling transitive verb, right? The boy hit the ball. Hit is the transitive verb as it is having ball as an object. Circle the objects in these sentences. The lion caught a deer. A deer. Rubina and Meera played football. Football is an object in this sentence. I heard a noise. Noise is an object in this sentence. The kitten hurt its paw. Paw is an object in this sentence. Maya wrote an email. An email is an object in this sentence. They visited Hyderabad. Hyderabad is an object in this sentence. Transitive or intransitive verbs worksheet. Transitive verbs take an object. Intransitive verbs do not take an object. Read the following sentences and state whether they are used transitively or intransitively. She has written a novel. Here, has written is transitive verb. Now, let's see. She has written a novel. Here, has written is transitive verb and a novel is an object. Second, Meera teaches English as a municipal school. Here, transitive verb teaches and English is an object in this sentence. Third, I took a book from the library. Here, took is the transitive verb and book is an object. Fourth one, the sage smiled knowingly. Here, sage smiled is intransitive verb as this sentence is not having an object. The boy sat on the bench. Here, sat is intransitive verb as it is not having the object. 6. She always carries an umbrella. Here, carries is transitive verb as umbrella is the object. I answered only 6 questions. Answered is transitive verb as questions, 6 questions is an object in this sentence. I don't know the answer. Here, don't know is the transitive verb and object is answer. I have finished my homework. Have finished is transitive verb and homework is an object. Have you eaten your lunch? Here, have eaten is transitive verb and lunch is an object. I am cooking dinner. Am cooking is the transitive verb and dinner is an object. Don't shout at me. Here, shout is the intransitive verb because it is not having any object. Bring me a glass of water. Bring a glass of water. Here, bring is the transitive verb and a glass of water is an object. The bell rang loudly. Here, intransitive verb rang. Why? Because it is not having any object. Now, 15. The ship sank slowly. Here, sank is the intransitive verb because it is not having any object. 16. The dog barked mechanically. So, barked is the intransitive verb. Now, let's see the next page. He went to the market. Here, went is the intransitive verb as it is not having the direct object. We have bought a home in Mumbai. Have bought transitive verb, object a home. She looked upset. Intransitive verb upset as it is not having object. I am anxious to leave. Here am is intransitive verb as it is not having any object. Now this is how we practiced practice sheet transitive and intransitive verbs. You have to solve this practice sheet one more time in your extra notebook. I will share the answers of this PDF file with you. Then you can cross check it at home by your own. There is no need to write these questions in your fair notebook. Solve this practice sheet in your extra notebook as a revision only. Alright. Thank you.